Hello, beautiful people. What is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I organize my cosmetology school kit. Now, obviously, this is not going to be like 100% like super organized. There are still so many things that I still wanted to add in my kit, like for example, like the labels. I want them like printed out on a sticker just to make them, really nice and neat. So right here, I'm just putting my clips in this tiny little Tupperware container that I got from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. And then, of course, I'm just going to cover it up. Now, this one actually fits in my disinfected bin. So that's what I'm going to do. That's the reason why it doesn't have any label. They said that if it doesn't fit in the disinfected bin, it has to be marked either clean or new. Now, in this little container, it's the same size for my pins. These are actually perming papers. I've decided to purchase one myself because, again, we do have some at school, but I don't want to be like, getting all of them from school all the time because it's for the client. And yeah, some people would, but I just prefer to have my own. So I'm just going to take some out. These are actually very large. And my mannequin's head right now is actually very long. So I think it's just perfect for me. Just going to put it right there. So next I have my disinfected bin right here. Just going to open it up. Here we go. And I'm going to try to fit some supplies here. Now, this is actually the, paper bag for trash. It has to be marked trash. It's going to be sitting on the side of your table, and if you guys want, I will show you guys my initial setup for state board. So if you are planning to go to cosmetology school, you have a guide. So I'm just getting 5 pieces. That's going to be enough for the entire week. And then I have a bottle of soap here, and since we changed an instructor, they said that it should be labeled cleanser. And that is for like the PD test. You're kind of like reenacting it as like a certain product. And then I'm just going to stuff that in here. I have to change, or I have to replace that with like a tinier one just so because it's always heavy. Now, the shaving gel, I actually use that to pretend as if it's the color. So basically, when you use a shaving gel, you can literally see the shaving gel into the hair, mimicking as like the solution or hair color or something like that. I do hope I make sense. And I have a first aid kit, hand sanitizer, of course. I'm going to put that on the side. And I have a little bottle here. It says conditioner, hand lotion, and shampoo, which I just found out we don't really need it. So I'm just packing it here for now because I actually filmed this earlier, but we do have like a lot of changes in the kit because we're trying to be on the state board level. So yeah, I just found out like the 3 bottles are not really that necessary, so we're just gonna work our way with that one or just repurpose it with some stuff that I really need. So I still have the timer here with me that until today I haven't even used yet. So why am I upset? I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it in the future, but I just want to let you guys know that it has been like a week. I haven't even used it just for once. I have another Tupperware where I have placed in some of my foils, just enough for the entire week. They also like provide foils for us to use, but again, like I feel like somehow they are wishing that we should have our own. Again, it's for the client, so I'm just like, getting my own stuff here so I'm more comfortable knowing where are my things and all of that. I'm actually pretty excited to get clients, guys. So it's still going to take me probably overall 2.5 months for me to get actual clients, but I just really can't wait for that. Unfortunately, the reason why I can't film while I'm at school is because for, sanitary reasons, you can't just put a phone in your desk over there. So yeah, basically it's still a mystery for me how other people can film because once we sanitize the table, we can't put cell phones in there. So yeah. So next I have this little old bag right over here. It actually comes into, this is one of those more like laundry bags that I got from 99-cent store, Dollar Tree. Don't buy it because it's such low quality. Within just a week, it actually ripped already. So that wasn't really useful at all. So yeah, it can easily rip, and I'm actually just planning to put like my clean or like the dirty ones since I got two. So that's like the initial plan, but it tears up like paper. So might as well go to Daiso again and purchase something that is a little more heavy duty, because this one, it's disposable. It's not something that's gonna last. So I'm just going to put that right over here because I felt like the Ziploc wool is like, scratch proof or tear proof. I just really want them nice and fresh over there. Okay, so I have another Tupperware here. Basically, I just label everything. Everybody does it at school. I just label them with a marker, and the base is just masking tape. Again, I really want the stickers to be printed because I just really don't like the way it looks. So I'm just going to put every butterfly clip or whatever crocodile clip that I have that is clean for me to use at school. And actually, you know what? Even though my bag is like super bulky right now, I feel like it's 10 times more organized, and I love it. And since this cannot fit in my disinfected bin, that's the reason why it's labeled. So this kit is actually everything for the nails. So what I will be doing is that I'm going to put that here in my disinfected bin. So basically I do have like a lot of bins. You will see at the end of this video how big my bag is. It's something else, but I just really love to put my products where it is kept, very nice and just secured pretty much. Now that I have perfectly labeled this, we're going to go ahead and put all of the things for the nails inside this disinfected bin. So I haven't used anything or any item from this little bag right here. So this plastic bag that I have right now, that's probably where I am going to put the clean cloths, just so, because I just can't handle it. Like, it's just ripping apart. So these ones are nice because they are already labeled. So there is, it's going to be easier for my life. I don't have to put masking tape and Sharpie on that one. And also, I told you guys that I will be giving you like an update video every week, right? About like school and all of that. I'll definitely make that video in 8-bit. I'm just doing some cleaning inside the house, but I already have this video, so just in case I can't upload that on time, you can just watch this one for now. So, by the way, I have quite funny stories to share with you guys, but I'll probably save that for my beauty school update video. It's a little, not like super juicy or anything like that, nothing really dramatic, but yeah. Just a little sneak peek for my update video. We are actually having a new instructor next week, so let's see how that goes. Oh yeah, this hand is super cute, heavy duty. See that one? Put it right there. And then of course, once everything is in the box, we are going to cover that, and it is ready to be organized in this big old luggage. So I do purchase a box of gloves for like 100 pairs. I am just going to grab 5 pairs for this week and put them in a plastic so that it's also lightweight and it doesn't, fill the whole box. I'm gonna have like a lot of space. I've actually tried these gloves and it's in the size small, and it is perfect. It fits so good. I can't even stress it enough, but it fits my tiny little fingers perfectly without suffocating them. You know what? These days I'm being forgetful. So I'm just going to go ahead and recount these to make sure that they are like 5 pairs. So what I'm going to be doing next week is that I'm having like a little inventory of my own. I'm just going to recount them. If it's not 5, then I'm going to, fill the plastic bag again, make sure it's 5 pairs. That may not make any sense, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Lols. And there we go. Nice and fresh. And I don't want to put this on the nails nail kit, so I'm gonna put it right here. These are all my hair disinfected bin. And then, you know what? I wanted to repurpose this plastic right now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use it for my blower. If you're wondering where I got this plastic bag, it came from a blanket. I'm going to put that in here. I actually have a diffuser. I'm going to put that there too. Spray water bottle. It's not labeled yet. I'm just going to label it a little later. I wasn't really expecting that this is going to be a perfect fit, but I'm actually glad that it did. So if you guys have like a lot of those, you know, comforter plastics or some former like pillowcases, then go ahead and reuse them. This one, I'm just going to fold it like that. It's the wiring from my curling iron. There you go. Have some elastic right over here, and I'm going to place it on this plastic bag. Now, this plastic bag was actually given to me by my friend Priscilla, so I'm just going to repurpose it as my curling iron and flat iron. Gonna put it right there. And then I am going, you know what, you won't believe, this is actually like super exact. I promise to you guys that it doesn't fold any of the wires, and don't cringe the way I organized the other wand, but I'll just redo them later. Okay, so it is time for the initial setup. What? So basically what I'm doing right now is just really trying to figure out where to put where and all of that good stuff. And I am going to put the iron here on top, everything that doesn't have like hard cover pretty much. Now doing this is actually pretty satisfying and fun, and I just really love it. But in the future, I kind of want a different bag, but this is just for me to use and abuse for school at this time. But just a little bit about the bag update. There are already some holes on the sides of the bag for some reason. I don't know where that came from really, but yeah. So at this time, I actually have like a lot of things going on at the moment. I'm gonna make sure that the irons are safe and protected. I want them to be at the very top. And could you not, I almost forgot my doll heads. I do have a lot of doll heads, and I am going to leave 2 of them at school just so, because it's just going to be 10 times more convenient for me, so I don't have to like drag them all the damn time. I honestly don't even know how is this really fitting right now, so I guess what I'm gonna do is that I'm not going to put the tissue box there. I'm just gonna put it in my backpack. Yes, ma'am, I wear a backpack now. I think that looks, but no, it's not gonna fit. All right, that's it. And of course, I also forgot to put like my soil linen. I'm gonna put it right here on the side of the bag along with the masking tape. This is where I put all of the dirty cloths or towels that I use, and that is it. It looks so perfect and organized. Let me just make a few adjustments here, guys. I'm still trying to figure out, why am I forcing this? This is not gonna happen. You know what? I can't believe I forgot the 3 heads in here. What was I thinking? Because, you know, I love complicating myself. So just a few more adjustments, and just want to make sure that everything, I can grab them with ease. I don't want to like just, you know, just shove them in here and I'm like looking for this. I just want something to be like really nice and neat, so that the ones that I need to get easily, because sometimes we are being timed to do our initial setup for state board, is something that is going to be easier for me. So just take that out for a bit. Okay, and the rest is history. It's been like many more minutes after that. We can finally close this luggage, and I am ready to go. Yes, finally. Now this is like there's like it's like a human inside of this bag, but it's just really nice, big and bulky, but I'm happy that it all, you know, went well. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.